Cup noodles, one of the most popular instant meals on the planet. From Tokyo to New York, Karachi to London, these little cups have become a lifesaver for busy students, office workers, and late-night snack lovers. But have you ever wondered what really goes on inside the factory to make sure millions of steaming cups of noodles are ready at the pull of a lid and the pour of hot water? Today on Factory BTS, we take you inside the fascinating journey of how cup noodles are made for global markets. Let's begin where it all starts, the flour. Wheat flour is the backbone of cup noodles, carefully selected for its high quality and consistency. In giant silos, flour is kept in perfect condition. Before being moved into automated mixers, here, it's blended with water, salt, and a special alkaline solution called kansui, which gives the noodles their chewy texture and signature yellow color. The dough is kneaded and then flattened into thin sheets. These sheets are rolled several times to improve elasticity and strengthen essential step because noodles must hold their shape during cooking, drying, and storage. From there, the sheets are cut into thin strands using high-speed rotary cutters. In just a fraction of a second, thousands of noodle strands are produced, all uniform in size and thickness. But what makes cup noodles unique is the steaming and shaping process. After cutting, the raw noodles are steamed at high temperature, locking in their structure. Then, something unusual happens. They are molded directly into the shape of the cup. Special machines curl and fold the noodles into a block that perfectly fits inside the container. This step is crucial, ensuring that when you pour hot water later, the noodles expand evenly. Now comes preservation. To make them last months on supermarket shelves, factories use one of two methods: flash frying or air drying. In flash frying, noodle blocks are passed through hot oil at around 140 to 160. See, this not only removes moisture, but also gives noodles their quick cooking ability. In air drying, hot blasts of air dry the noodles without oil, a healthier option often used in some markets. Either way, moisture is reduced to just 3 to 5%, which prevents spoilage. Next, let's move to the flavor, sachets, and seasoning. Cup noodles come in dozens of flavors around the world: chicken, beef, seafood, curry, spicy chili, and even local specialties like tom yum in Thailand or masala in India. To create these flavors, food technologists carefully design seasoning powders using dehydrated vegetables, meat extracts, spices, and flavor enhancers. Some cups also include small pouches of liquid sauce for extra richness. But it's not just about taste, it's about nutrition and safety too. Vegetables like carrots, peas, and corn are washed, cut, and then freeze-dried to lock in nutrients. When hot water is added later, they spring back to life with color and crunch. Proteins like tiny meat chunks or shrimp are also carefully dried and sterilized to ensure long shelf life. Every ingredient undergoes strict testing to meet international food safety standards. Once noodles and seasonings are ready, it's time for packaging. The noodle block is placed inside a specially designed cup, usually made of styrofoam, paper, or plastic, depending on the market. These cups are heat-resistant, lightweight, and provide insulation to keep your noodles hot. Next, the seasoning sachets are added, either tucked inside the cup or sealed under the lid. Sealing is done by high-speed machines that attach a foil or plastic lid on top. The lid is not just to cover, it also protects from moisture and contamination. Barcodes, expiry dates, and flavor labels are printed clearly to guide consumers. Then, cups are shrink-wrapped in multi-packs or packed into cartons for shipping. Now imagine the scale. A single factory can produce hundreds of thousands of cups per day, running almost 24 hours a day. These cups are then shipped worldwide, meeting the unique tastes of different regions. For example, Japanese factories may produce soy sauce or miso-flavored cups, while factories in Mexico might produce spicy jalapeño or lime chicken versions. And the journey doesn't end at the factory. Each batch goes through rigorous quality control, from taste testing and texture analysis to X-ray scanning for foreign particles. Only after passing these checks do the noodles make their way to supermarkets, vending machines, and convenience stores. So the next time you peel back the lid, pour boiling water. And wait those quick 3 minutes. Remember, the process behind that instant comfort food involves decades of innovation, high-speed technology, and global logistics. Cup noodles are not just fast food. They're an engineering marvel designed to be safe, tasty, and consistent wherever you are in the world. This was Factory BTS, taking you inside the world of cup noodles, the instant meal that conquered global markets.